Today I'm making chickpea stew. This is a recipe by Allison Roman, a blogger for the New York Times. This recipe has caused quite a stir, and now that I've had it, I understand what all the hype is about. Even if you're a person that thinks you don't like chickpeas, I would definitely recommend giving this recipe a try because it's just that good. Here are the ingredients, but I'll post them for you in the description area of my video. We'll be using coconut milk, kale, chickpeas of course, plain non-fat yogurt, lemon, spices, garlic, ginger, onion, cilantro, and mint. The original recipe called for 2 cans of chickpeas, but I decided to make mine from dried. I like the texture so much better when I cook them myself. I cooked the chickpeas until they got a little crispy, and then I removed half of them from the pan. We'll use those to top our soup with later. Then I'm just going to mash up the remaining chickpeas in the pan. This will help to make our soup thicker. I'm using this Italian kale, but you can also use Swiss chard, spinach, or collard greens. You add this in during the last 5 minutes or so of cooking. Obviously, if you're using spinach, that's going to wilt much faster, so that would probably only need a minute or 2. Now we're going to top this with the crispy chickpeas, and then we'll add the mint and yogurt. This is such an exceptionally balanced recipe. It's spicy, but the spiciness is tempered by the creaminess of that coconut milk and the addition of the yogurt. It comes off as mild, and the mint gives such a refreshing boost to the flavor. I'm so glad I discovered this recipe, and I hope you'll enjoy it also. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.